Hello, everyone, and welcome back to A1 English Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Ruby, and today we have a very special lesson. Before we start, let me ask you something. When you meet someone for the first time, what is the first thing you say? How do you introduce yourself? Do you feel confident? Or do you feel a little nervous? Write your answer in the comments below, because I really want to know, and I'll be reading every single one. Today our topic is Tell me about yourself. This is probably the most common question in English. You hear it in class, in a job interview, at a party, or even on social media. And sometimes it feels difficult to answer. But don't worry, today we will practice together, step by step, and by the end of this lesson, you will feel confident, clear, and ready to speak. So, let's get started. The easiest introduction is your name. You can say, "My name is Ruby," or "I am Ruby," or even just a Ruby with a smile. Say it with me. My name is Bye. I am that scene is good. It's very simple, very natural. Now you try. Say your name out loud. Remember, your voice is strong and clear. Next question. Where are you from? I am from the United States. You can say, I am from Thailand. I am from Canada. I am from Mexico. I am from Egypt. It's the easiest way to connect with people. Now let's add a little detail. Do you live in a big city or a small town? I live in a big city. It's busy. It's noisy, but I love the energy. Maybe you live in a small, quiet town, peaceful, calm. Everyone knows each other. So repeat after me. I live in a big city. Or, I am from Bayan. I live in a small town. Your turn. Say it now. Now. Another common detail. Your age and if you want to share. You can say, I am 25 years old. I am 30 years old. I am 18 years old. Very simple. But if you don't want to say your exact age, you can keep it general. For example, I am in my 20s. I am in my 30s. That's also fine. For me, I am 25 years old. What about you? Say it with me. I am Park years old. Good, very good. Now let's talk about what you do. Your job or your role, for example. I am an English teacher. I love teaching. It's my passion. Maybe you are a student. You can say, I am a student. If you are working, you can say, I am a doctor. I am a designer. I am a shopkeeper. If you are not working right now, you can say, I am looking for a job. Or I take care of my family. Remember, it's always okay to keep it simple. Say it with me. I am a student. I am a teacher. I am an engineer. Or great. Part 5. Family is always a good topic. You can say, I have one brother. I have 2 sisters, or I don't have brothers or sisters. That's simple and natural. For me, I have one brother. He is older than me. My mother is a teacher. She teaches little children. My father is a chef. He works in a restaurant. And the food at home is always delicious. Now you try. Say, I have dollar brothers. Say, I have a brother sisters. Say, or my mother is a bari. Say, my father is a I. Perfect. Now, let's talk about pets. Do you have a pet? I have a cat. Her name is Luna. She is black and white. She sleeps all day. I'm very quiet, very lazy, but very cute. Maybe you have a dog. You can say, and I have a dog. His name is Max. He is friendly and brown. Or maybe you have no pets. You can simply say, I don't have pets. Your turn. Say, oh, I have a cat, or I have a dog, or I don't have pets. Dear ba. Good job. This is the fun part. Your favorite things. Favorite food. My favorite food is pasta. I also love pizza. Vegetable pizza with tomatoes and onions. Maybe your favorite food is biryani, or sushi, or burgers, or salad. Say it with me. My favorite food is favorite color. My favorite color is green. I like the trees and the grass. Maybe your favorite color is blue. I like the sky, or red, or yellow. Say it now. My favorite color is aksha. Dear ba. Favorite animal. My favorite animal is a cat. Elegant, independent, beautiful. Maybe yours is a dog. Loyal, friendly, brave. Or maybe a bird, a horse, or even a fish. Say it with me. My favorite animal is Mindcyper. Now let's talk about hobbies. The things we do for fun. My hobbies are painting, reading, and watching movies. Painting helps me relax. Reading takes me to new worlds. And movies make me laugh and inspire me. Maybe your hobbies are playing football, listening to music, cooking, gardening, running, or photography. Anything you enjoy can be a hobby. Say it with me. My hobby is exercise, or my hobbies are exercise, and we are high. You're excellent. Part 9. Likes and dislikes. It's also useful to say what you like and what you don't like. For example, I like pasta, cats, painting, and comedy movies, but I don't like spicy food or waking up very early. Now you try, say, I like honor. Say, I don't like a dear ba. That's it. Very easy. Very natural. Part 10, putting it all together now. Let's combine everything into a full self-introduction. Hello, my name is Ruby. I am from the United States, or I am 25 years old. I am an English teacher. I live in a big city. I have one brother. My mother is a teacher and my father is a chef. I have a cat named Luna. My favorite food is pasta. My favorite color is green. My favorite animal is a cat. My hobbies are painting and reading. I like pizza and movies. But I don't like waking up very early. This is a complete introduction, and you can make your own version. And with your details, now it's your turn. Take a deep breath and say your own introduction out loud. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Just practice. Part 11. Extra practice. Let's practice with quick, short answers. I repeat after me. My name is Ruby. I am from the United States. Why? I live in a big city. I am 25 years old. I am a teacher. I have one brother. I have a cat. Her name is Luna. My favorite food is pasta. My favorite color is green. My favorite animal is a cat. My hobbies are painting and reading. I don't like spicy food. I don't like waking up early. Now you replace my answers with your answers. Go slowly, speak clearly, and enjoy the practice. So my friends, today we learned how to answer, "Tell me about yourself." We talked about your name, your country, your city, your age, your job, your family, your pets, your favorite things, your hobbies, and your likes and dislikes. Remember, you don't need to say everything at one time. Asal maestau. Choose what is right for the situation. In class, say your name and why you are learning English. In a job interview, say your name, your background, and your skills. At a party, talk about your hobbies, your favorite food, or your favorite movies. It's not a scary question. It's actually an invitation. An invitation to share a little about yourself. So don't be afraid. Keep it simple and keep it friendly, and always smile. Now it's your turn. Go to the comments below and write about yourself. 1 or 2 sentences are enough. My name is Ears. I am from, I like, I can't wait to read your answers. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is Ruby from A1 English Podcast. Stay safe, keep practicing, and remember, every day you speak English, you get better and better. I'll be back soon with another fun lesson. Goodbye for now.